Take control of your finances and master making payments on the go with the Capital One mobile app in just minutes. First, open your Capital One app and log in securely using your username and password, or your fingerprint or facial recognition if you have it set up. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Tap on the credit card account you wish to pay. On your account details screen, locate and tap the Make a Payment button. This is usually prominently displayed. Now, you'll see your payment options. You can choose to pay from a linked bank account, which is often the easiest method, or select Pay with Debit Card if that's your preference. If you're paying from a linked bank account, select the account you want to use and then enter the payment amount. You can choose to pay the minimum, statement balance, or a custom amount. If you selected Pay with Debit Card, you'll need to enter your debit card details and the payment amount. Want to plan ahead? Look for the option to schedule a future payment. Tap this to select a date for your payment to be processed. Use the calendar to pick your desired payment date. This is a great way to avoid late fees and manage your cash flow effectively. Before confirming, you'll be taken to a review screen. Double-check your payment method, amount, and date to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm Payment. You'll then see a confirmation screen with your payment details and a confirmation number. Congratulations, you've just made a payment through the Capital One app. For ongoing convenience, you can also manage your linked bank accounts and debit cards by navigating to the Manage Payment Method section within the app settings. Mastering payments on the Capital One app is simple and allows for efficient financial management right from your smartphone. Happy banking!